to spread kindness and show awareness that it doesn't take a lot to be kind.
It's a day to spread happiness and kindness to others around you.
Unity Day is like being nice to other people and not bullying.
To be kind to people and that everyone matters and that we shouldn't bully people for who they are.
To stand against bullying, I think it's important because nobody in this world deserves to get bullied. Everybody deserves to live a wonderful life and everybody loves each other. So I think everybody should not bully each other and everybody should just love each other.
It is important to stand against bullying because it is unfair to others and it makes them sad.
Because bullying has a serious negative effect on people's mental health.
I think it's important to stand against bullying because everybody deserves the same opportunities and gets to be equal.
Together we can make a world without bullying.
Together we can make a world without bullying.
Together we can make a world without bullying.
Together we can make a world without bullying.